Okay. Alright, exercise. These guys are exercising. How do I exercise? I want to exercise. That's how I want to do. Try. Oh. 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 Ah. 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 Climb up, climb up, climb up. Get it. Wait. Go for the 2. I want to win. I want to win. Yes, I want to do it all over again. What? Come on, man. Serious right now? I gotta do this all over again. I can't go over there. Oh, come on. Come on. Get food. Go food too. Go food too. Go, 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 go. Okay, I want again. No. Go, 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 go. Get food too. Get food too. Go, 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 go. This practice is dumb. Come on. This is really boring. I don't want to. I just don't want to keep. I don't want to keep practicing. No. Did I win? Oh wait, now we're shooting. Oh, I'm not paying. I'm not paying. I'm not paying. Let me have a gun. Oh, shotgun? No, okay. I'm gonna be shooting these guys now. Take that. Take that, boy. They keep about to die. Yeah, that's right. What do you think you're doing? I'll go first person for this. Oh, what just happened? How come these guys get soldier hats? Where's my soldier hat? Dinner time? I guess. Food time? Is this dinner or what? What's in here? Well. Okay. Yum, yum, yum. So good. What up? What is this? Green beans and... Is this green... Is this broccoli and that's like... steak? I guess. There's nothing there, so... Like, seriously, what kind of food am I eating? Like... Oh, okay. 12 hours ago. Wait. Oh, you actually get hurt? No. Wait, is that actually... Get out of my face, boys. Oh, okay, it actually hurts. Stay away from me. Why does it say stand in the center? Get out of my face. Okay, it just says punch. It don't say punch people. It just says no. Don't punch me. Oh, wow, you just killed that guy. Oh, not me. Ow, I'm not dying. I'll live. Can I get out? Got my face. Oh, I'm stuck in here. Ow, stop it. Ow, wait. Where's the pilot? Can I? No. Oh, we gotta jump out. Skydive! No, I don't want it. Oh, it says just go to that red thing. What? I gotta do this again? Okay. Look at these. This looks cool. Come on, man. That sucks. 14 hours ago. Okay, that's what that says. And whatever that is. I don't care what that is. Come on, let me through. Come on out of here. Touch this guy. Why is there an arrow at you? How do I get food in? How do you get food in? I want a machine gun now. Where's this shotgun? Nope. There's machine gun. Oh god, we're going into war. This is war. Oh, that's right. Get out of here, boy. You did too. guys better watch who you shooting right now, boy. I'll kill you. Oh my god, these guys are actually hurting me. Take cover, take cover, take cover. Die. Got my face.
Come on, Anna.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, stop it. Ow, ow, ow. Thank you. Stop. Ah, die. You're going inside your base and you're gonna like it. You die right now, buddy. What happened? Yeah. That's right. Get in the base. Hey, I'm in. Kill him. He's right there, he's right here. Get that guy. Get that guy down. Okay, this guy in the tank has to go. Go. Guy in the tank, get out of here. Die. Okay, he's dead too. Okay, those guys up there are literally killing me right now. Okay, this actually hurts. What? Those guys up there? Oh my god, bro. Oh my gosh. Die! Oh my gosh. Ow, ow. Oh my god. Go, go. Get inside the base. Go, go, go. Go for it. I'll go for it. Oh. What? I won't move the door again. Okay. Yeah, it still look like this, I guess.
You're right.
Dude,
I've never been in this neighborhood.
I should have got the shotgun. Shotgun would have done way better. Oh, what's next? Oh, no. Push-ups. Click.
Just on the way
Tap.
here, I saw empty storefronts.
What?
I saw
I can
vans
jump.
with potholes. I saw a
Jump
guy
jacks.
carrying his bicycle tire underneath his arms because he knew that
One,
was the only way to keep
2,
the store.
3, 4, 5, 6. Do the obby, do the obby. Oh, wait, get on the rope. Thank you.
Listen,
Boom. I already did it.
as long as you kick ass, this thing you should terminate for.
Stop it. I don't want to get. Stop.
I only know one word in Korean.
Go, go, go. Oh gosh, I almost died. Yes, that's more XP for me. Yeah.
Kamsahamnida.
Yeah, I'm doing good. No, no, jump over that. I forgot. Thank you. Move.
It must be sponsored by
Can't
Disney.
see my move. How did he cheated?
Oh, because they were talking about how
He cheated. Get out of my way. He cheated. That guy literally cheated. Shotgun. I love the shotgun. Boy. Okay, I gotta reload. Don't.
Okay, Burrito, you gotta get up.
Get up. Go.
Intentional?
Oh. Yes, I got one.
Well, that's not intentional.
Oh.
That's not intentional.
I'll go outside. Is it food time again? Oh. What are you gonna do? Yeah, keep eating.